This property is an absolute gem. So it's an incredibly private property. It's on 4.7 acres. It has this cute little 3-bedroom house. This house has 2 decks, which have been recently covered with new roofs and so forth, and then the carport out back. So it's absolutely just adorable. New hardie board exterior, and it's surrounded by trees. So it's absolutely beautiful. So that's the house, and I will show it to you, of course. And then it has this awesome long driveway. So this long driveway just gives you a little bit more privacy, and the home is set back here, which is amazing. And it does have this massive shop as well. It's humongous. It's on a concrete slab. It's got power. It has solar panels as well. And I'll show you the transfer switch. So it switches between a diesel generator, solar power, and of course, electricity. This whole area is so cool. It's been fenced. It is also ready for electric fencing if anybody wanted to keep goats or any other animals in here nice and safe, with a little shed here, which I think I would convert to a little chicken coop. I don't know if it was a chicken coop before, but what a great little spot to do that. And then you have this whole fenced area as well for goats or any other animals. So before we go to the house, let's go check out this workshop, because it is something really, really cool. So really high doors, of course. So I think they're about 12, if not more, feet tall. So let's say 12 feet tall approximately. And this shop is massive. It's about 35 feet, I believe, by almost 50 feet. So, and then it has a loft up top and skylights. It's just really, really awesome. And again, concrete slab as mentioned. And I'll show you. So it does have like a back room there as well for more storage. So the whole place is just absolutely massive. And of course it has power. So here's really cool. So this is the diesel generator, and this is for the solar. So it collects the solar there. And then in case of emergencies, in case of a power outage, really awesome, because you have this switch that goes from grid to diesel to solar. So, I mean, absolutely amazing in case of emergencies. It's just nice to have so you don't feel like you're stranded. And check this workshop out. Like, it's amazing the amount of space you have here. So I'll show you around the property a little bit more. It's absolutely gorgeous. Like, there's so much grass here. It's just absolutely beautiful. And the greenery. So this whole area, I mean, the property goes quite a ways, but it is treed. It does slope up, so that gives you that privacy and the trees and all the way around. And then this is a beautiful, beautiful RV parking, or whatever you want to park in there. It's absolutely massive, and just a really, really great spot to have something covered. And then we have wood or a little hay shelter barn, and then another tool shed. So tons and tons of space here, lots of outbuildings. Really all set up for like a little homestead, or somebody that wanting to just have a little privacy, have a little slice of heaven that they can call home. And here are those two, well, 3, I guess, if you're considering this shelter logic. But yeah, so it has like a little tool shed there, and hay or wood shelter there. And this is that massive RV parking there. All right, and I'll show you a little bit more back here, just because I love it. I love this property. It just has so much to offer. Okay, so you can see some garden beds here. Plant some stuff. Here's the well. And yeah, just a lot. And look how private it is. Like, you don't see anybody here. It's just really, really lovely. Here's the full lay of the land. Oh yes, and the carport, massive carport. How nice is that, to be able to just throw your car in there and just walk right into the house? This is just so cute. Just adorable. It is on a concrete foundation, and the septic's just in the front there. All right, and as we come up here, we have these beautiful stairs, nice concrete work here. And then there is this covered front deck, which is absolutely amazing. Love this. And then there's another one back here. So this is another covered deck to enjoy. And let's take you inside and see what you think. All right, so as soon as we walk in, we have this awesome little mudroom to unload. The floors have been recently done. They're luxury vinyl. And I'll just turn around so you can see that entranceway. It's awesome. I would just add a couple of hooks, but they have this beautiful wardrobe as well. So for jackets and coats and so forth. However, I do feel that you're going to be coming, most of your time, you're going to be coming from the carport. So these are the beautiful French doors that come right from the carport, covered car parking there. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the kitchen. So the kitchen's been updated as well, and it looks amazing, and it opens up to the dining room. Just absolutely beautiful. Nice big window just over the sink where it needs to be. And these are gorgeous cabinets, just very tasteful, absolutely beautiful. I'm going to quickly show you this because I need one of these and I love it so much. Look, it's like a lazy Susan. I don't know what they call them these days, if it's still a lazy Susan, but they just pull out right away, like all the way out, and you can just really put a lot of stuff in there. And there's two there. So I love that. And from here, you have the beautiful dining room. You can put a big table there, and it's just a lot of space there. Wood stove, super cozy. It has a heat pump on this side and a heat pump on that side as well. So two heat pumps. But I'm going to show you this area really quickly. So it has deep freeze, a little pantry area here, or mudroom. It depends what you want to use this. I love this little coffee station and tons of storage. So these are really deep as well, which is amazing. Same color as the kitchen, and they're very deep for storage. So just awesome little pantry to have here, and to add storage to your home. Love the deep freeze here as well, close to the kitchen. And this is that other deck that I showed you from the outside, and it's in beautiful condition, and it's just fantastic, and it's covered, which is always nice because then you can enjoy it year round. And then here we have the bathroom. So the bathroom's been updated as well. So you have shower and laundry here. So it's a 3-piece washroom plus laundry, just super convenient. Everything's on the same floor, which I love. And you have just everything at your fingertips here. This is another bedroom. It does have a closet, but it's bright with 2 windows here. It's an amazing use of space. So love this bedroom. And this one's carpeted. And this is a really nice room as well for a guest room possibly. And it has the window looking out on the back there. And I'll show you the addition. So this fantastic space is the addition. So this was done in 2011. So it has this massive living room. Of course, this goes out on that carport as shown before. So this beautiful living room, very bright with 2 windows. And then it has your large bedroom. I would totally use this as a master just because of the space, or even just a really cozy guest room. So this one doesn't have a closet, but it's easy enough to put a wardrobe because you have the space for it. And it is nicely carpeted as well. So nice big windows, very bright in here. Just a really lovely, lovely space. And that sums up our tour. And as always, any questions, feel free to contact me anytime. Leave a comment. I'm happy to help.